Alright guys, so today we're doing wheel bearings on an '05 Equinox all-wheel drive, but it'll be generally the same on anything. Here we're taking off the axle nut, the caliper, and then the caliper bracket's got to come off. Um, Also make sure that you loosen up the axle in the wheel bearing itself. Here we're taking off the rotor.
There it goes.
And there we were loosening up the axle. Here we had to heat up the hub bolts to get them out of the spindle. Then our tool did not fit, so we actually had to grind down the flange so that we could get our puller on, which ended up not working because this thing was just so stuck. But this is what you normally do. You put a slide hammer on, bam, they pop right off. Not this time. So we tried heating it and tried going back to the slide hammer, see if that made any difference, and it did not. Then we went to caveman style, tried it with a chisel. That didn't help, but this did. You basically take a nut and a bolt, and you put the nut on the backside, then you run the bolt in, and it acts just like a acts just like a puller, and then you just take the nut off and you're good to go. This was a long journey, boys. You could hear it in my voice that I was excited to be done with it. So just pop your axle out and you're good to go.